MLS Touch tips from your Miami trainers. How to share your MLS app with a customer. You can do so clicking on the three lines that say more towards the bottom right-hand corner. Tapping Brand and Share under Configurations. Clicking on Continue, you will find where you can customize your app. Once you apply your colors and logo, clicking on the green Share My App button will allow you to do so. Once we tap, we'll have access to three different ways that we can share our application. The first is send by SMS, allowing you to tap and share. The system will take you right into your cell phone where you can add in your consumer, select them, and press the send button. The second way is send by email. Be sure that you're connected to an email provider on your cell. Clicking on send by email will connect me. Towards the top, I would tap and add my consumer's email. Once I do, I can click the arrow to send. The third option is to tap on the link. Fully select it, copy it, and you can share it however you like, whether it's social media or WhatsApp. Open the application you'd like to share it in, select your consumer or possible consumer, paste your link, and send. Sharing it to social media can also allow you to possibly find new leads. Another tip, be sure to add in the specific MLS Touch code assigned to you. Use my code to join. Always more with your Miami trainers.